Hello friends, and welcome to my YouTube channel Simply Stocks, and today I'm going to talk about Saint Gobain. Can this be 200 by 2024? So let's understand about the business and let's understand what's happening. So let's get started. First of all, a disclaimer that this is not a stock recommendation. People taking any position to any share that I talk about should do that with their own due diligence and research, and I'm not in favor or against any company that I talk about. Before I talk about Saint Gobain Secretech, here's a small request that kindly support me on Patreon, and once you do that, that will help me grow the channel. That will help you also ask me questions on a daily basis. Once you get the $10 membership, you'll have access to my portfolio, my watch list, and number of podcasts that I put up from time to time. And also, you can pay upfront $100 and get 1 year access by paying for 10 months. If any of you are facing, and a number of people are facing problems in paying on Patreon, you can do two things. One is talk to your bank and get it done through the bank, and the second thing is you can join the YouTube membership that I have started. So you can join the monthly YouTube membership straight away rather than joining there. You'll get the same amount of features as you're getting on Patreon, plus 4 live sessions. First one would be coming up this Friday. Now about the company, Saint Gobain was established in 1985 and is a worldwide leader in residential construction glass, and also helps in industrial applications and industrial glass, etc. Commercial spaces are also being held by the company, and most of the glass that is being used there are from Saint Gobain. It is a market leader in this space. It has nationwide presence here in India and global as well. The market cap of the company is only 600 crores at the moment. If we look at the financials, then these are Q1 numbers this year versus last year. So sales were up by 3.7x. Sales were up a lot. So from around 7 crores, and you'll understand the first quarter of last year was a complete washout for many businesses. This time around, the sales were around 26 crores. Profit, so the company came into profitability, 3.5 crores PAT versus a loss of 2.5 crores. So what that gives you is a net profit margin that is closer to something like 13%, 12-13% or so. Just I'm calculating on the back of my hand, so it could be more than that. High promoter but low institutional holding is there. The ROE is 8%, operating profit margin is 10%, but that is improving at the moment, so it would have improved after these numbers. And is virtually, there is no debt. There is little bit of working capital debt, but you cannot say it is a highly debt company, nearly debt free company it is. If you look at the performance, the company has started performing well from this quarter onwards, and it seems like things will only improve. We'll see how the second quarter and third quarter numbers pan out. Stock has been an underperformer in the last 1 year. It hasn't done much at the moment, but now it looks like it is breaking out. Those 60 levels are being taken out consistently. So it was under stress during the downturn of business, and during the shutdown it escalated the problems for the company when there was complete shutdown in India last year. But bottom line is now showing promise, and we are seeing that the company is coming back into profitability. We'll see how the next 2 quarters pan out, especially the December Diwali quarter. I'm hoping big things for consumer companies and companies like Saint Gobain to do extremely well during the December quarter. So once those numbers come out by February, I see the stock performing even better. So in my opinion, the stock is extremely undervalued at these levels. If you look at the technicals of the stock, then the short-term support lies around 60. It is around 63, 64 levels. I think 60 will be a strong support now because the consolidation has been going on between 58 and 65. A major long-term support is around 54, 55. So if somebody buys here from a 3 to 4 year perspective, need to put a stop loss around 64, so that's not even a 20% stop loss from current levels, which is a good risk reward ratio because the stock is expected to do extremely well. It has been consolidating for months. I expect the stock to do extremely well if the numbers really pan out good from the December quarter. So probably have to wait out for 5 to 6 months if somebody buys now, and then see how performance pan out. I think from 6 months onwards, things could get much better here. So probably buy on major declines and on current levels. If you get a chance to buy at 58, 57, it's even better. And 55 would be even better to buy, but I don't see 55 coming now after seeing consolidation for the last 5 6 weeks. I see 55, 54 being strong support. If you have a 3 year view, this can easily be 2000 crore market cap from here. A couple of good quarters would take it there. So I think in the next 3 years, I see the stock go towards 200 plus from here on in. Yes, there is downside, and that's why I keep saying that your stop loss is around 54 or so. So this was my video on Saint Gobain Secrotech. Please like and subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon so you can get my videos straight away when I post it, and kindly support me on YouTube. A lot of people wanted me to have a join button on YouTube. I've started with that. Hopefully it will bring a lot of wealth for you going forward. Thank you.